Examination of the power series sigma n over 2 power n in 3 methods. Let's suppose that A is sigma n over 2 power n equal, if I give n 1, I have 1 over 2. If I give n 2, I will have 2 over 4. Then if I give n 3, 3 over 8, 4 over 16, 5 over 38, 2, etc. So method 1, let's divide by 2. So A over 2 equal to a half divided by 2, it's 1 over 4. Then 2 over 2, 2 over 4 divided by 2, 2 over 8. And 3 over 8 divided by 2, 3 over 16, etc. Now let's subtract. After subtraction, A minus A over 2, A minus A over 2 equal. So 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, it's 1 over 4. And I have 1 over 2 in the beginning. Let's write this 1 over 2 here in the beginning, plus 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4, it's 1 over 4. Now 3 over 8 minus 2 over 8, 1 over 8, plus 4 over 16 minus 3 over 16, 1 over 16, plus etc. 1 over 32, it's 5 over 32 minus 4 over 2. So A minus A over 2, it's A over 2. So now let's product both sides by 2. So I will have A equal 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus etc. This is geometric series. It's 1 over 1 minus a half. The final answer is 2. Now method 2, ratio test. So let's remember ratio test. The rule was if the limit of an plus 1 over an when n goes to infinity is a number less than 1, must be positive also because I suppose an positive. If an not positive, I will take absolute value here. But here my terms are positive. So if this is satisfied, if the limit is less than 1, then the series sigma an converges. So I will suppose that n over 2 power n, this is an. So let's calculate an plus 1 over an. So it's n plus 1 over 2 power n plus 1 divided by n over 2 power n. So after deleting here this term with this term, I will have 2 only. So after deleting, I will have n plus 1 over n times a half. What is the limit of this term when n goes to infinity? This term will be 1 here times a half. So the final answer is a half. It's a number less than 1. Now using ratio test, the series sigma an, which is n over 2 power n from 1 to infinity, converges. In the method 2, and I didn't calculate the answer, but I can answer if the series converge or diverge. Method 3, here I will write n over 2 power n, it's n times a half power n. So if I write a half outside, so it's sigma n a half power n minus 1. So let's write this a half sigma n x power n minus 1, where x could be a half from 1 to infinity. How to calculate this sigma? So sigma n x power n minus 1 from 1 to infinity. This is the derivative of sigma x power n from 1 to infinity, from 0 now to infinity. It must be 0. Okay. Now, this formula, this is correct when x between -1 and 1. And I will suppose finally my x here a half. So it's a half, and the number a half between -1 and 1, no problem. So the derivative of this term, this sigma, it's 1 over 1 minus x. So the derivative of 1 over 1 minus x, it's 1 over 1 minus x power 2. So now this is correct for each x between -1 and 1. So now I have a formula that sigma n x power n minus 1 equal from 1 to infinity equal 1 over 1 minus x power 2. And this is correct for each x between -1 and 1. So I can now calculate this sigma. What is the answer of this sigma? So let's repeat. So my series now here, sigma n over 2 power n from 1 to infinity equal to a half. I have a half here outside times this sigma here. This is equal, using the formula, 1 over 1 minus a half power 2. So it's a half times 1 over a half power 2, 1 over 4. So after calculating, it's 2. So it's the same answer of the first method.